Hey everybody, it's Aaron here. Um, this is, I believe, a start of a new channel for us. We do have some stuff on Etsy, and we're looking at starting to doing some of the videos and some of the embroidery and other items that we hand make and sell on Etsy. Um, Obviously, I'm not going to be doing a lot of the sewing, but when it comes to the embroidery, I spend a little more time with it. That includes even digitizing some of our designs and that stuff. My wife's kind of hiding. She doesn't like to be on the camera very much, but that's okay. She'll get used to it sooner or later. She's hiding in the corner. But one of the first designs that we're going to do is a honeybee with a flower. It's a little 3-inch by about 2.5 tall design. If you have a 4x4 hoop, this should work good for you. And we're actually going to put it on some fabric that the wife is going to use for our quilt, I believe, right? So I'm just going to hoop up some, probably do some tearaway backing, and basically stick this 4 or 5-inch square in the middle of the hoop and sew it on there. Now some of you have probably seen other videos where they take pins and pin it down. You'll probably have to do that. I am also going to use a temporary adhesive onto the backing for it, so that'll help keep everything nice and snug down too. But here's the design that we're going to be using. So this is the design we're going to do, and like I said, it's about 3 inches wide, 2.5 inches tall. It's 5 colors. 4 of the colors I'm using are right here. You know, it's a light gray, or really light gray, a dark orange for the center of the flower, a darker gray, which is for some of the other little spots in it, and then a black. The 5th color is already on the machine, but again, you can pick and choose your colors. These are the colors that we're using just for what we have accessible for. You can use others. Hi, Lacey. Hi. And this is what I got it set up on our bernette embroidery machine. I didn't even see what the stitch count was on it. Let's see. It does tell me the stitch count. Looks like it'd be about 5,800 stitches, so not too bad. And actually, I don't know why my laptop died on me, but it did. But we'll hoop it up, and I got not a 4x4 hoop. It's probably closer to a 5x7 hoop. That's the smallest one I have, but it will work in a 4x4 hoop, just for the size of it. And I will get it going. here's how it comes out. There's a little bit of trimming left, and I'll have a after shot of that here in a second. So I got it mostly trimmed now, but this is how it looks. I'll probably just leave it as is because I may have to change the way everything is, but it does look very, very nice. My wife loves it. She loves honeybees for some reason right now. So here's the end product. I hope you like what you saw. This design is on Etsy, and I'll have a link in my description if you want to use it or want to purchase it. I'm only going to have it at $1, so $1 for something that will fit in a 4x4 hoop easily, considering this is a 5x5 and I have plenty of room all the way around it. Again, most of my thread is new brothread 60 spool kit is what I'm using. A lot of it I'm just using it so I can figure out how to run the machine better. It's not the 100% the best thread because if you've seen these spools versus my black spool, is quite a bit different. I won't use the black anymore because it has a tendency to break too easily for me. But for just trying different designs, this works great for us. That link will be again in my description, and I'm using a Bernina 570 QE Quilter's Edition embroidery machine, and let's wait for the computer to wake up. I'm using our old Toshiba laptop, but most of the stuff will be linked down. It doesn't want to wake up now. Most of the stuff will be linked down in our description. Any questions, comments, please leave them. And again, here's the design, more or less finished. These little final trimmings, even if it's not the same colors that were designed from the program, it still comes out really nice. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow. I'm hoping to have more and more designs uploaded on a regular basis, and as I upload the designs, I will embroider them for you guys to be able to see them. Thank you.